Captain Ed and I have always hoped to have an army of petitioners of 1,000 or 1,500 people that one day are trained from day one.
Freedom fighters.
Freedom fighters and reefer raiders, maybe. Ronald Reagan said reefer people can never make the ballot, that our minds are too slow. Well, Ronnie, my mind's not too slow, and I don't have to read my lines.
That's right. That's right.
Now, do you think you're going to succeed?
Oh, yeah. Well, nobody can beat the truth. Can anybody beat the truth?
Absolutely not.
No, absolutely not.
No way, man.
This man and I have been out there telling the truth, and nobody's ever said we're wrong. They keep arresting us 33 times. They have beaten us in jails. They have done physical things to me. I'm not going to describe on this air, but there's nothing that can beat a fact, and there's no, and I don't care how popular a president thinks he is, when people realize that he's killed off a planet, and he's killed off the knowledge of a planet, and he's allowed millions of people to die prematurely and in pain and in misery, and has ruined the quality of life that can be gotten with a good, simple medicine that never killed anybody except at the hands of bad public policy and police carrying out bad public policy with a vengeance.